When constructing a paper airplane, using the right paper, carefully folding it, and paying attention to detail will enable it to glide effortlessly. In other words, to make it look and function perfectly on the outside, we must take care of the inside first. This principle applies to our lives. When we envision a life worth living, we must start from the inside and work our way outward to navigate through life successfully. This principle of working from the inside out is called personal leadership.